Hey, what do you think I have? From a certain contact of mine. A photo of a studio floor. A square box on the floor, about 30 inches by 30 inches, and 6 inches deep. A layer of soil in this box, and in the middle, a single boot print. Exactly like the so-called Buzz Aldrin boot. Some odd items, scattered around the outside box, one item being a shovel. Take a photo directly down, and then crop out the surrounding box. And hey presto, we have the famous Buzz Aldrin boot. From a certain contact of mine. From a certain contact of mine.
As a species, if people would refuse to believe in things that they couldn't actually do themselves.
So true.
Yeah,
So true. And the other one was the footprints. They said, oh, look, there's too much moisture because look how clear they are. Only a sort of caked mud could do that. But actually, you could do that with flour. The fact is, it's just very fine ground, and it makes... And there's, of course, it's a vacuum again. It coheres.
Yes, we come into the cream of the show, you know? We come into the real proof what a bunch of morons and idiots this panel is. A single boot. Now, for all the thousands of boot prints supposed to be on the moon, why take a photo of just one boot? in Apollo 11. Now, it would have been more fitting to take a photo of one boot in Apollo 14. And why is that? Because this lot didn't know that Apollo 14, the astronaut in there, only had one leg. Now folks, as I mentioned earlier, now let me say folks, I've got very good contacts for Apollo material. Now the photo I'm going to show you now is from a very reliable source, and it's going to make these idiots on this panel drop their jaws. Take a look at the photo coming up, folks. Wow, look at this, folks. Here is that photo, that single boot print. As seen many times over the last 50 years, the one and only one boot on the moon. Obviously made from that one-legged astronaut mentioned previously. Now, what's coming up next, folks? Well, 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 what have we got here, folks? Welcome to the studio where they made the fake boot. The studio that's going to prove a lot of you to be really stupid idiots. Look at all those items there. You think you'd find them on the moon? What I can see there is, on the top right, is a jigsaw. And what do you do with a jigsaw? You cut pieces of wood. And where's that pieces of wood here? There was a wooden frame, a square wooden frame. On the left you can see a bag, half opened. And what is it? It looks like either dry cement, or as I've been told by a contact of mine, it's not cement, it's dry, grey plaster of Paris. But they made the floor in the square frame, and they used an imprint, what you can see on the right hand side, the sole of a boot, to make a print in the middle. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? Here you are, folks, we can take a better look at it now. Study the floor, you can see it's grey, shiny, square, marble floor tiles. I don't think you get that on the moon, would you, folks? I don't think so. Look at the left now, we can see a dustpan. And look at there, we can see a bag of what I just said appears to be dry cement, but I've been informed it's dry plaster of Paris. And look over the right hand side, you can see a yellow jigsaw. And also you can see a load of fag butts with a look at it. And up on the top right hand corner, you've got a square board with some of this plaster on and a scraper. A scraper used for mixing it with water. And this Mr. Fry and some of these others think this blueprint was made on the moon by Buzz Aldrin. Well folks, do you remember my saying earlier in the videos? There are three types of people who believe that they landed on the moon. One, the innocent, misinformed, like I used to be. Two, blatant liars. And three, the absolute thick. And all those who think this footprint was taken on the moon, they come in category 3.